The saying of the elders is not true. That if a man said yes, is he also affirmed. Here was a man who said yes. Here was a man who he had said no, despite his own affirmation. The old man, Uchendu, saw clearly that Okonkwo had yielded to his fear, and he was greatly troubled. He would speak with him after the Ifa ceremony. On the second day, Uchendu called together his sons and his nephew Okonkwo. The men brought their goatskin mats with which they sat on the floor, and the women sat on their sisal mats spread on a red blanket. Uchendu pulled gently at his gray beard and laughed with his thoughts. Then he began to speak quietly, deliberately, his words with great care. It is Okonkwo that I primarily wish to speak to, he began. But I